Welcome to our video on what to sell at a garage sale, 20 easy items that sell. If you're planning to have a garage sale, but don't know what to sell, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll share with you 20 easy items that sell well at garage sales. These items are in high demand and can help you make a decent profit. We'll also provide you with some tips on pricing, organizing, and advertising your garage sale to attract more customers. So, let's get started. Garage sales can be a great way to declutter your home and make some extra cash. However, the success of your garage sale depends on what you sell. Here are 20 easy items that sell well at garage sales. Clothes. Clothes are always in demand at garage sales. Make sure to organize them by size and gender, and price them reasonably. Books. Books are another popular item at garage sales. Sort them by category and price them low to sell them quickly. Electronics. Electronics such as old cell phones, laptops, and video games can sell well if they are in working condition. Make sure to test them before selling them. Toys. Kids' toys are always in demand at garage sales. Clean them up and price them reasonably. Furniture. Furniture can be a big seller at garage sales. Price it reasonably and make sure it's in good condition. Kitchen items. Kitchen items such as pots, pans, and utensils can sell well at garage sales. Make sure they are clean and in good condition. Sporting goods. Sporting goods such as bikes, golf clubs, and tennis rackets can sell well at garage sales. Make sure they are in good condition and priced reasonably. DVDs and CDs. DVDs and CDs can sell well at garage sales if they are in good condition. Make sure to sort them by category and price them low. Tools. Tools such as hammers, screwdrivers, and drills can sell well at garage sales. Make sure they are in good condition and priced reasonably. Jewelry. Jewelry can be a big seller at garage sales. Make sure it's clean and priced reasonably. Artwork. Artwork can sell well at garage sales if it's in good condition. Make sure to price it reasonably. Board games. Board games can sell well at garage sales if they are complete and in good condition. Home decor. Home decor such as lamps and picture frames can sell well at garage sales. Make sure they are in good condition and priced reasonably. Antiques. Antiques can be a big seller at garage sales. Make sure to price them appropriately and display them prominently. Garden items. Garden items such as planters and garden tools can sell well at garage sales. Make sure they are in good condition. Musical instruments. Musical instruments can sell well at garage sales if they are in good condition. Make sure to price them reasonably. Pet items. Pet items such as pet beds and toys can sell well at garage sales. Make sure they are clean and in good condition. Collectibles. Collectibles such as figurines and vintage items can be a big seller at garage sales. Make sure to price them appropriately and display them prominently. Office supplies. Office supplies such as staplers and file folders can sell well at garage sales. Make sure they are in good condition and priced reasonably. Seasonal items. Seasonal items such as holiday decorations and Halloween costumes can sell well at garage sales. Make sure to price them appropriately and display them prominently. Now that you know what items sell well at garage sales, let's talk about some tips to make your garage sale a success. Advertise your garage sale. Make sure to advertise your garage sale on social media, Craigslist, and in your local newspaper. This will help you attract more customers. Price your items reasonably. Make sure to price your items competitively. People come to garage sales looking for a good deal, so don't overprice your items. Organize your items. Organize your items by category and make sure they are clean and in good condition. This will help attract more customers and make it easier for them to find what they are looking for. Be friendly and welcoming. Smile and greet customers as they arrive. This will help create a positive atmosphere and encourage them to buy more. Offer deals. Consider offering deals such as, buy one, get one free, or 10% off for the first hour. This will encourage customers to buy more and make your garage sale more successful. That's it for our video on what to sell at a garage sale, 20 easy items that sell. We hope you found these tips helpful and that you're now ready to have a successful garage sale. Remember to advertise your sale, price your items competitively, and organize your items by category. And don't forget to be friendly and welcoming to your customers. Thanks for watching and happy selling!